The other good thing about ground covers is they can become more aesthetic, especially if it's like a flowering ground cover.
And they will start kind of filling in themselves.
Yeah.
They'll continue to expand in a moderate way.
And this is something that if you have trouble growing grass, these ground covers might be a better answer for you if that's something that you enjoy. If you're like, determined to grow grass and that's your thing, that's okay too. So here's a couple different options. Pennsylvania sedge. It likes dry, shady areas, and it does form a dense mat of foliage.
Now, keep in mind that, each one of these are just a few of dozens, if not hundreds of different types of ground covers. If you have an area that is underneath a pine tree, for example, and you're trying to grow grass or trying to have a ground, there are certain areas where things are just not going to grow because it's just not designed to do such. So there's some work and homework has to be done for is this number one necessary to have this covered? And two, if it is there something that will actually work in almost dark conditions? Probably not.
Yeah. You have to consider shade, sunlight,
moisture. And then if heat, and if you are able to grow it in somewhere that's a very difficult place, is it so difficult that you're not going to be able to get in there to maintain it, hydrate it, manage it?
And that might be a place, if it's like a back area that you don't really care about, just let it do its thing.
Yeah.